BobbyWolfey here to wish you a very Merry Christmas holiday season. I hope that you are safe. I hope that you are with family in spirit. And if you can get together with family in person, do it safe. We're wishing everybody the very best holiday season. I love you all very much. You're the best gift I could ever have. Thank you for everything, and I will see you in the near future. Happy Christmas. California update. We're on fire again.
Evacuation, brush fire.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Let's go home.
Da 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 do.
It's time to talk, guys. A wintertime, Christmas time, chatteroony. BobbyWolfey here, and welcome to another video. So, it is December, and very close to December-related December holidays. Events are still canceled, the world's still in shambles. Things are actually getting darker than they are getting brighter right now. So things have been pretty grim. We haven't had any decorations up, and it just does not feel like the holiday season that I would like it to be this year. And I want to rectify that, and I want to buy a Christmas tree today and set it up and put up lights and make Christmas happen, because we need to make our own cheer queens. What I really need is a little holiday in my heart, little shuffle in my step. I bought a bunch of lights at the end of last year, so we're on a mission to get a tree right this minute. Where do you buy trees at? I've never bought a tree before. This is my first tree. First tree, Mom wants a small one, so we can't really have any fun. Just kidding. Okay, I want to check Walmart, because I feel like if anybody's gonna have a cheap Christmas tree, it's gonna be Walmart. I see Christmas trees. Did I find that? How do you buy something outside? And remember, in the time of great 2020, safety first. Secret mission engage. They're all on clearance. I'm so excited. These are too big. Mom will punch me in the throat. Why must they all be daddies? So there's a conundrum. These trees are ginormous, and Mom wants one that sits on the table. So we're gonna have to find the short trees, or like chop one of these in half or something. These are freshly watered, which means they are moist wet. So I picked out a tree. I'm so excited. I caught a fish. First step is to maneuver it to my car. The second step we need to discover here is how to get it into the car. So I'm gonna open the door. We've got a nice clean car here. Oof. Oof. This is gonna be a journey. That kind of fits. Does that fit? We don't even need our seat to be sad. Good as gold, everyone. Stores are eerily, like, empty. Gotta clean the basket. Purell. Dear, can't have Christmas without one of these. Oh, the dog one's dented. There's another one. You're important. The last minute gifts I strive for are tape and scissors. Queens. Is that one of those new game consoles everybody's crazy over right now? Well, Walmart has it in stock. Balesica. Do you realize the importance of popcorn? This lady would not be this excited if she didn't have popcorn in her life. I must avoid these things, but I need them. Oh, no I don't. We're going this way. Ignore that. You know, for it being so close to Christmas, it is very eerily, like, hauntedly no people in here. Did you ever want it to be even harder for you to find your presents under the tree? Well, now's your chance. Is that Santa? I think that's Santa. I think he's watching. Oh my god. Look at the Santa hats in this world. And then in the next aisle is bug poison. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh wait a minute. That's not Baby Yoda. We don't care about her. Oh no. Did you ever want a giant plushy ornament because life is... This could be the earring of my dreams. It's not a house. It's a home. Queen, that's a haunted mansion. Premium Christmas dinner with Christmas beverage. Oh my god. An extinct item. I can't believe this. A miracle. It's still eerily kind of empty. I see Tony. Bless their little dollar hearts. We need more. I'm gonna cry. These are beautiful in my lunch. It's turning into a winter smorgasbord. Oh my god, she's peeping. The world's supply of pigeons. See, in New York, they get real big. They just plump them right up. And then they cook them. Oh my god. What a party team. Garfield's lonely. I didn't buy like 12 of this shirt. I can't believe these price gougers buying all of the sale items. Some people in this world. Last minute gift. Giant candy. How many carrots do you think this is? This makes me feel so many things. It's a Krusty Krab secret menu item. A station wagon bag. I did talk to Mom on the phone and I did get permission to get a bigger tree. Oh no. Check out my new mixtapes, guys. Wrapping raspberry soap and jam and mint soap. I really like to write songs about soap. Helps cleanse my soul music. Me when I give someone a big ol' kiss. There is so much Christmas stuff this year. Oh my god. Tell me we're not ready to send off 2020. You know, I'm not gonna lie. I love stocking stuffer shapes. Did you know that about me, guys? Not a truer depiction of me exists. We ignore the non-holiday fun section. This is gross. Oh my god, it's Pokemon cereal, guys. So I'm here in the jewelry department just looking at these fancy rings. These are out of my price range. I am not a millionaire. If you love me, you're gonna have to deal with these tiny ones. Although, what do we love more than canes? We love canes with freaking afros, guys. That's everything. It's the masochistic M&M people. How could they put something so ultimately glorious next to something so evil? Ooh, cheese. Ooh. Exciting. Guys, I think they're selling Sasquatches here. When you sneak down to open your presents early and you're like, who bought this? How did this sell out? Tell me this is not the cutest packaging in the entire world. It is a Dynamite hot sauce set, which is honestly what happens when you have a lot of hot sauce. This Nesquik set comes with a rabbit spoon and potentially another one. We don't know. It's gone. The Old Spice things are coming with demons. Oh my god, it's Kids Bop Christmas. Look at this world. We have Elvis. We have Dolly Parton. Now that's what I call R&B Christmas. Now that's what I call the decade. We all know how that ends. Do you know how that ends? Oh, Christmas with the Chipmunks. Oh, we're about to listen to some pops. Oh my god, this though. What an icon, queen. If you're like many Americans like me, you know you can't hike and drink hot cocoa at the same time. So they've invented hot cocoa trail mix and also peppermint trail mix, because when you're walking, your breath is stinking. Gosh, Father, where'd the presents go? Oh, don't know. There's literally just a Christmas tree in my car right now. I left that on the seat. Oh my god. Okay, there's a tree in the back, and it smells like there's a tree in the back. Oh, I can't cheers. What am I doing? I didn't use my Bath & Body Works special eucalyptus mix hand sanitation device. Oh my god, I could have died. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The smell went away to a better smell. Too much. Now we can have a cheers party. Cheers, everyone. I had to get a Christmas time smorgasbord. Okay. I got a tree. I hope we have a tree holder thing. I don't know what time we're going to Costco. We're going to Costco today. I don't know why. I got a tree. There's a freaking living being tied up in my back seat right now. Christmas spirit. Isn't it sad how during like Halloween we slaughter hundreds of candies, and during Thanksgiving we slaughter hundreds of turkeys, and during Christmas we slaughter hundreds of trees, and during Valentine's Day we slaughter hundreds of hearts? We are very barbaric people. I will not stand for this. Quiet back there, making me miss the green light tree talking back there. Be born. Ow. Smells like oranges. You snatched your weave. Oh. My hands got crust dirt. Freaking loudest helicopter on this planet. 2 seconds in the house and it's not bathroom trained. I found Spider Farm Theater. Christmas spirit in a bottle. Let's put this down. I'm having a flashback, guys. One time I stuck my finger inside a Christmas tree. Pincher bug nearly ripped my finger right off. I hope there's not a pincher bug in this tree because that was a traumatic nightmare. The tree is very in. I know how to pick out a tree sometimes when I'm in the wild. Now we check the Christmas dungeon. Oh boy. Here's all the lights that I bought. What's in this cabinet? Oh. Yeah, we're not gonna talk about any of this. We're gonna turn this whole room around. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's Costco time. A reminder of the times casually strolling through Costco like. It's always pumpkin season at Costco. This is the worst thing to name anything on this earth. This is the Christmas spirit. I'm gonna leave Santa cheese this year. Guys, look, it's bonbons and krokombushk. Look at these beautiful balls. Having a Christmas fire, you know how it is. Oh, wow, it's a big one in the mountains. California update, we're on fire again. Oh my God, look at this. This is what happens when we try to have freaking Christmas. This is where they're stopping everyone, or they're starting to stop everyone. Excuse me, sir. That guy's calling the fire.
You got the balls. I would never, ever do this.
There, look at that plane. That plane's gonna dump water on it. Look at him dump the stuff. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Wow.
Wildfire, Santine.
Look at how tall it got. Look at the tornado.
Look like a tornado.
Look at the plane.
now.
The plane.
Whoa.
The plane. The plane. Oops, sorry, car. Okay, so we accidentally went to the fire by this hydrant for a moment. We are now right next to it. There's the firefighters up right there. Can you see them? Right behind that plume.
It's getting by the house.
It is. These people aren't even here. Look, they're doing the thing in the backyard over there.
No, they're trying to get.
Yeah, the barricade, that's what I'm saying. Oh yeah, the ashes are coming.
Evacuation, brush fire.
Is that what it says?
Let's go home.
Evacuate to Santana High. Oh my God, see the tornado? See how it twists?
Well, let's go home.
Okay, we're going. Wait, is that an evacuation for us too?
I don't know. That's why I'm going to go home.
I ain't evacuating.
I think it's just those in the vicinity.
Shortly after I got back, they got the fires out. They got the fire out. There was no damage to houses or anything, thank goodness. Now we can decorate. This is the beast that we are going to be working with. I just moved the tree over to the back of the living room next to our pet cow Girdle. Here's our wildly festive potatoes. Oh God, that's breakable. Oh, that's crazy. let the games begin. I may have gotten very enthusiastic about buying lights after Christmas last year. And out of the 5,000 light sets that I did get, I only got this color one. All the rest are white. I've made a miscalculation. I don't know how. Maybe they were out. What have I done? I've ruined Christmas, Jesus. Well, we're gonna have a very white Christmas, I guess. Banana, are you triggered? What a good tree this is this year. Alright, I'm gonna put up some lights. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start work on that and we'll time lapse it, I guess. Here we go! That was much harder than I thought it was going to be this year. I think I made it more complicated than I usually make it, but you know what? It's fine. There are no rules for Christmas lights. Our next step is that we're going to decorate the tree. I'm not losing my mind at all, guys. Don't worry. Let's start on the tree. Okay, so we got a very long chain of lights, and I swear when I move these lights, they do things. This is my hand. Doesn't seem like it's lighting up the top part. That's just the camera angle, I think. In any case, what I'm gonna do now is finish this up and I will give you a tour when I'm done. Ah, December. Look at all the Christmas decorations in the world. Look at all of the snow. That's right, it's Christmas time in California. I thought there was a long line for 99-cent store, but no, I was wrong. There is a line for Bevmo, and you know what? No judging, it's been a very rough year. Next day update, guys. The fire is out. You can still see some red stuff up on the hill over there where it was happening. You can see the burn section and the not so burn section. Wait a minute, who the heck is Greg from State Farm? Triggered. What's on fire now? They got the whole brigades coming down the street. This man is shook over here. Dang. The children are social distanced from Santa. He's sad. He's wearing a normal people shirt instead of a Santa shirt. Guys, I just realized when Santa goes down the chimney and it gets Santa clogged. I just wanted cupcakes. What? Surprise! After trying to string these lights 5 times, I finished! Oh my god, look, there's the tree. My camera does this weird shadow thing. We don't know why. Maybe it's not even gonna show up on the computer. We don't know. Here's the tree. Let's get a montage of that tree. Done it. I've made Christmas happen. And it only took a lot of hard work. Come with me on a tour, a journey. A wondrous place filled with wondrous things. Welcome to my chocolate factory. Wait, I'm not Willy Wonka. Or am I? So I'm here to tell you what's gonna happen next. Santa's gonna come through that hole right there. Okay, so it's almost nighttime. It's very nighttime. Santa's coming. He's gonna come through that hole right there, and we're gonna ambush him. I'm gonna slap him on the head with my ball. We go, wha-bam! Santa goes, ho, 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 psh. I don't know. What was the plan? Oh no, he's already here, run. Jesus help me, Santa broke into my home. Wait a minute, what happened to my reindeer? We got this table over here with things. Then we got Sheila Helga the angel. We got some frumpy elf person over here doing whatever that is. My favorite things are these Santas from around the world. I love them so very much. Here's a snowman who's really gonna clean up this town. If you can figure these ones out, just let me know. There's this thing. There's this thing. There's this lady's kind of angry. She ain't having none of that. And then there's this lady. And then there's this man over here. Let's go Christmas lighting. We're gonna look at Christmas lights. We're gonna do something. I love you, tree. I love you so much. I do, it's time for love. Christmas time in San Diego. The Star of India. So beautiful. If you're looking for a Christmas bop, I highly recommend Step Into Christmas by Elton John. Pick it up at your local record store today. What a bop. Side note, I bought a calendar for Christmas, and you know what that means. Now I'll know the days of next year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, decimal point. Custom calendars. The world is tomorrow. If you've never read this book about spaghetti, I don't love you anymore. For you see, this book is important. It's an important novel filled with many things, many important things. It's a very quick read. I read it in all 2 seconds. This year I'm stepping into Christmas with this. I gifted it to myself this year from Elton John's website. It comes with deep cuts, rarities, and this is me hand-selected songs by Elton himself. Look at the inside of this beautiful box. This is the best gift ever. I'm gonna get some rest, and tomorrow I'm gonna open presents with family. I'll see you tomorrow on Christmas.
Christmas banana, you the nicer boy. Hi, Christmas baby Woosh. You want my eggs? What? That's my bottle.
Oh, she's happy. Look at it.
Baby. Banana's being naughty today.
We'll start with this, okay? Come on, help me. No. Pull it. What's this? Oh, wait. Okay, no more. That's a good kid. Area 51. It is unlawful to enter this area without permission. Where'd you get this? Commander.
For the real one.
Installation, all personal.
I want the new Mexico. Someone had to do it.
Why you wrap so nice? Oh, clothes.
I ended up getting a t-shirt and a new boyfriend. You could blow him up.
Gee, what is this, Sassy?
Beauty, she's Grace, she's from outer space.
Yeah.
Let me
That's the
see.
one.
Oh,
New boyfriend, new girl.
I love this.
Here's Carlos.
This Carlos.
That's your blow-up boyfriend.
Well,
What is this?
Carlos, bro.
Oh no.
You can sit him in your
Baby
car.
Woosh, what's that?
It's my friend.
That's your boyfriend.
I'm from Roswell, yes.
It's your boyfriend.
There he is.
Someone had to do it. I got your boyfriend. You're welcome.
what are you doing? Wow, Mom's already all ready to use him. Go upstairs.
That is not a blow-up doll.
Don't fall out.
Yeah, careful.
Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah.
Got it? No, don't eat the box.
Hey,
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
Hey.
Thank you.
everybody, calm down.
Good job.
What did Mommy get?
Well, okay, he's ready to eat.
No, Mommy. Mommy,
Hey,
stop.
kids, hey,
Go, sit.
stop that.
Good boy, D.
What is this?
Very expensive.
Very expensive? Really?
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
you
that's
got the right
nice.
size. How did you do that? This is beautiful. Thank you, Sean.
It's to help you find a new boyfriend.
Shut up.
You just bought her one.
Nice.
Yeah, I got her one.
Shut up.
It's a practice one.
Ah.
I like this. Thank you.
Oh, she's gonna help you. Oh, she's
She loves it. She loves it. Does she love it?
You love your mama.
I love this jacket. Thank you, Sean. Give me a hug. Love you. Thank you. All right,
get your
Bobby's
toys.
turn.
Sorry, I almost sat on your boyfriend.
He's about flat.
My alien.
Very careful with that.
La, la, la,
It's
la.
from 77. No, you could just.
Nana, I don't want your help with this one because you break it.
Oh yeah, what is it?
Oh, I have to tilt it. It's all curved on this side.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Oh my god, I love this.
Yeah, it's from 77.
It's a mirror and it has the pinball wizard.
Nice.
And it's wrapped. It's not open.
Sweet.
So it still has all the dust and shit on
Oh, it's from the wrappings from.
it. From 77 too.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it's original, bro.
Wow, thank you.
Ooh, let's see it. Hold it up.
Worth something someday.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my
the
god,
dogs.
you guys want a present?
If I sit there, open this up for me.
Banana's gonna open it. Go get some water first. She's gotta prepare. Oh no, Banana's opening it. Baby Whoosh, go get it. Run, run.
Open it up.
Oh, okay, bye. She's leaving with it.
You mad at me? Yeah? Is that your thoughts on Christmas?
Get it open. Toys.
It's in here.
There you go. Oh, she takes it. There you go. You can flip it up again.
Excuse me. Excuse me, baby. Hey. Oh, okay. Well,
There it is. There's all your new toys.
it's in here. What's that? What's that? I think he's just realizing. What's all that? What's all that? She realized before him.
Look at that new toy.
Banana, what's this? Banana!
Open them.
Baby, what's with this? Oh my god! Oh my god. Baby Boosh, that's my toy. Hi, I have one gift for all of you. I know it's been a very lonely holiday season, and we've all been working very hard to maintain some kind of feeling of togetherness, and I wrote a song just about that. I would love very much to share half of it with you now. Something in thank you. I love you all very much. You can watch the full song here on YouTube. I will see you very soon. I should have a New Year's hello video. I don't know what it's gonna be, but you know, something. Anyway, I love you all very much. Happy holidays. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.